affiliations. Hey, get in, girlfriend. So first you wanna find and bitch. For this tutorial I'm gonna use my girlfriend Bronze's peak. So first you wanna ask her, hey, she's doing great peach. Hey, how are you? Who the fuck are you? What the fuck, Peach? Remember test script? But I literally never seen you before. Haha, Peach is acting a bit strange. Okay, so let's go to the next step. For the next step, you wanna ask the girl this. This is the hardest part, but let's go. Can I fuck you? No, fuck off, Merio, you little faggot. I'm going back to Mosher. Fuck. Wait, was that Luigi? Oh, yes, is that. I was trying to make hand porno, but you got rejected, lol. Fuck off, Luigi. Case right,